learners, once again I welcome on the class of engineering mathematics. So I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in the previous discussion we have seen the types of differential equation like ordinary differential equation, partial differential equation, and after that we have seen the how to compute the order and degree of differential equation, and after that I have taken some problems on the order and degree of differential equation. After that I have discussed how to make the differential equation, and after that I have discussed the various types of or various forms of differential equation like variable separable form, linear differential equation, homogeneous differential equation, and exact differential equation. Out of these four I have already discussed what is the variable separable form of ordinary differential equation and linear differential equation and homogeneous differential equation. So today I will take how to make the solution or how to form the solution of a first order first degree differential equation, and after that I will discuss what is the exact differential equation and what is the form of exact differential equation, and after that I will take some problems based on the variable separable form, linear differential equation, homogeneous differential equation, and exact differential equation. So the general form of a linear differential equation of first order and first degree can be computed by. So the general form of the first order dy by dx plus px into y is equal to qx. This is the linear form of a differential equation, or it can be or dx by dy plus py into x is equal to qy. This is also linear form, linear in x, and this will be the linear in y. So what is the solution of this differential equation? So I will derive the solution of this linear equation dy by dx plus px into y is equal to q into x. If I multiply on both sides e to the power px into dx dy by dx plus px into y e to the power p dx is equal to qx into e to the power px into dx. Now e to the power px into dx dy by dx plus px into y e to the power px can be written as differential form d by dx y into e to the power px into dx is equal to qx into e to the power px into dx. If I derive dy by dx into e to the power px into dx plus y into e to the power px into dx, and integration of this is px into e to the power px into dx. This can be written as dy e to the power integral of px dx is equal to qx e to the power px dx and into dx. Integrating on both side, then we will get, if I integrate on both side, so it is coming y e to the power px into dx is equal to integral of qx e to the power px into dx into dx plus c. This can be written as y into integrating factor is equal to qx into integrating factor dx plus c. So this is the solution of this differential equation. The solution of this differential equation is y into integrating factor is equal to qx into integrating factor into dx. Or if our differential equation in the form of dx by dy plus py into x is equal to qy, means linear in x, so the solution is x into integrating factor is equal to qy into integrating factor, where integrating factor is equal to e to the power py into dy, and here integrating factor is equal to e to the power px into dx. So remember in mind that whether our differential equation linear in x or y, according to that we have to apply the solution of the differential equation. So I will take problems on this also. Before that, last form of differential equation I am going to discuss, that is exact differential equation. A general form of a differential equation of the form of mdx plus nxy dy to be exact. So in general for a differential equation of the form mxy dx plus nxy dy is equal to 0 to be exact, the required condition is del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. So this condition should be satisfied for the exact differential equation. If this condition satisfied, then its solution is nothing you have to do, m dx, and here you have to assume as a y constant plus terms of n without x into dy is equal to constant. So this is the solution of exact differential equation. Integrate the m dx in which y is taken as a constant plus term of n without x, nxy term without x we have to take and integrate with respect to dy is equal to constant. So this is our solution of the exact differential equation. So now I am going to take the problems of all four types of form of differential equation, means variable separable form, linear differential equation, homogeneous differential equation, and exact differential equation. So first problem first, solve dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x plus y plus xy. So this is the type of variable separable form. Type of variable separable form. So nothing you have to do. Dy by dx is equal to, take 1 plus x, take y common, 1 plus x. So it is coming 1 plus x into 1 plus y. So dy by 1 plus y is equal to 1 plus x into dx. Integrate both sides. So it is ln 1 plus y is equal to integration of 1 plus x6 x plus x square by 2 plus c. So this is the solution of variable separable form. So in the variable separable form, as I told you in the previous class, that differential equation in which the variables can be separated to the respective differentials, and to solve this equation, after separating the variables, just integrate on the both sides. So here for the dy we have taken out 1 plus y, and for the dx I have taken out for the 1 plus x and integrate on both sides. So you will get the solution of differential equation. Another problem, x plus 1 dy by dx minus y is equal to e to the power 3x 1 plus x whole square. So firstly, tell which type of this form of differential equation. So this is the form of linear differential equation. So this is the form of linear differential equation. So in linear differential equation, you have to make the differential equation in forms of either dy by dx plus px into y is equal to qx, or dx by dy plus py into x is equal to qy. So divide by 1 plus x on both side. So dy by dx minus 1 by 1 plus x into y is equal to e to the power 3x into 1 plus x. So this is the form of dy by dx plus px into y is equal to qx. So this is the form of this equation. This is form of dy by dx plus px into y is equal to qx, where px is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x and qx is equal to 1 plus x into e to the power 3x. So we know the solution of this differential equation. And what is the solution? So solution of this form, solution of this differential equation is nothing but y into integrating factor is equal to integration of qx into integrating factor into dx plus c. So integrating factor, where integrating factor is equal to integrating factor e to the power px into dx. So integrating factor can be computed by this. So firstly we have to compute the integrating factor. So integrating factor is equal to e to the power px is minus 1 by 1 plus x into dx. So e to the power minus ln 1 plus x, or it is ln 1 plus x. So e to the power 1 by 1 plus x is the integrating factor. So the solution, y into integrating factor 1 by 1 plus x, integral of qx is e to the power 3x into 1 plus x into integrating factor is 1 by 1 plus x dx plus c. 1 plus x cancel, so y into 1 by 1 plus x is equal to e to the power 3x divided by 3 plus c. So this is the solution of this differential equation. So with the help of suitable boundary condition, we can compute the value of this constant. So one problem I have taken based on the variable separable form, one problem I have taken on the basis of linear differential equation, third problem I am going to take on the basis of homogeneous equation. X tan y by x minus y sec square y by x into dx plus x sec square y by x into dy is equal to 0. So if I take the value of dy by dx, so dy by dx is equal to y sec square y by x minus x tan y by x divided by x sec square y by x. So dy by dx is equal to y sec square y by x minus x tan y by x divided by x sec square y by x. So for the homogeneous differential equation, I told you dy by dx is equal to f1 xy divided by f2 xy, where f1 xy and f2 xy are the homogeneous function of the same degree, are called homogeneous differential equation. And the substitution for this differential equation, as I told you, either you can take y is equal to vx or x is equal to vy. That depends on the requirement of the problem. So put y is equal to v into x. So the dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So put the value of dy by dx, that is v plus x dv by dx is equal to, I have taken y is equal to vx, so v into x sec square y by x is equal to v minus x tan v divided by x sec square v. I have taken y is equal to vx, so dy by dx v plus x dv by dx is equal to y is equal to vx, and sec square y by x is equal to v, so sec square v minus x tan y by x is equal to v, so tan v divided by x sec square v. So x dv by dx is equal to v x sec square v minus x tan v divided by x sec square v minus v, and x cancel out, so that it can be written as x dv by dx is equal to x cancel out, so v sec square v and v sec square v cancel, so minus tan v divided by sec square v. So sec square v divided by tan v, sec square v divided by tan v into dv is equal to minus 1 by x into dx, and integrate on both side. So sec square v by tan v dv, the integration of this is ln tan v is equal to minus ln x plus c, or tan v is equal to c by x. So tan, put the value of v is equal to y by x is equal to c by x. So this is the solution of our homogeneous differential equation. Another problem I am going to take. Next problem based on the exact differential equation. Y sin 2x into dx minus 1 plus y square plus cos square x into dy is equal to 0. So this is the form of m dx plus n dy, where n is equal to minus 1 plus y square plus cos square. So firstly we have to check whether it is exact or not. So the condition for the exact differential equation, del m upon del y is equal to del n by del x. So let us assume this is m and this is n. So m is equal to y sin 2x. So del m by del y is equal to sin 2x. Similarly, n is equal to minus 1 plus y square plus cos square x. So del n by del x, del n by del x, minus 1 0, minus y square 0, and minus cos square. So it is sin 2x. So here we have seen del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. So this is the type of exact differential equation. So the solution of this exact differential equation, integral of m into dx, where y is constant, plus terms of n without x, into dy is equal to constant. So if I take m, so m is y sin 2x, into dx plus term of n without x. So term of n without x is 1 plus y square minus times 1 plus y square into dy is equal to constant, because cos square x, there is a term of x, so we don't have to consider this cos square x, because we have to take the term of n without x. So if I take the integration, so in term of n we have to assume y is a constant. So y, and the integration of sin 2x is cos 2x by 2 minus y cube by 3 is equal to constant. So this is the solution of the exact differential equation, minus y cos 2x by 2 minus y cube by 3 is equal to constant. With the help of boundary condition, we can compute the value of these constants. So let us take another example. Cos square x dy by dx plus y is equal to tan x. So cos square x dy by dx plus y is equal to tan square x. So you have to choose which form of this differential equation is given. So it is the type of linear differential equation. And how? Divide by cos square x on both side. So dy by dx plus y sec square x is equal to tan x into sec square x. So once again, this is the form of dy by dx plus px into y is equal to qx. So here px is equal to sec square x and qx is equal to sec square x into tan x. So the solution of this differential equation, y into integrating factor is equal to integral of qx into integrating factor dx plus c, where integrating factor is equal to e to the power px into dx. So integrating factor is e to the power sec square x into dx and sec square, integration of sec square x is tan x. So e to the power tan x is the integrating factor. So the solution, y into e to the power tan x, solution of this differential equation, is equal to qx, and qx is sec square x into tan x into e to the power tan x dx plus c. So let tan x is equal to t. I have assumed tan x is equal to t. So sec square x into dx is equal to dt. So y into e to the power tan x is equal to sec square x into dx dt into tan x is t into e to the power t plus c. So y into e to the power tan x is equal to integral of e to the power t into t dt plus c. So y into e to the power tan x is equal to, if I integrate this by, so it is e to the power t into t minus e to the power t plus c. So y into e to the power tan x is equal to e to the power t, if I take common, so t minus 1 plus c. So y into e to the power tan x is equal to, put the value of t, so e to the power tan x into tan x minus 1 plus c. So this is the solution of given differential equation. So this is the another problem, 2xy plus y minus tan y into dx plus x square minus x tan square y plus sec square y into dy is equal to 0. So this is the form of m dx plus n dy. It is given, but it might be the form of exact differential equation or not. So the condition of exact differential equation we have to check, and the condition is del m upon del y is equal to del n by del x. So m is equal to 2xy plus y minus tan y. So del m upon del y is equal to twice x plus 1 minus sec square y. Similarly, n is equal to x square minus x tan square y plus sec square y. So del n by del x is equal to twice x minus tan square y, and tan square y can be written as twice x plus 1 minus sec square y, because sec square y minus tan square y is equal to 1. So here we have seen del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. So this is the form of exact differential equation. So the solution of this exact differential equation, solution is m dx, where y is constant, plus term of n without x into dy is equal to constant. So m is 2xy plus y minus tan y, 2xy plus y minus tan y into dx, where y is constant, plus term of n without x. Term of n without x is sec square y into dy is equal to constant. Here y is constant, so twice x square by 2 into y plus xy minus tan y into x plus sec square y into dy is tan y is equal to constant. 2 to cancel, so x square y plus xy minus x tan y plus tan y is equal to constant. So this is the solution of exact differential equation. Dear student, today I have discussed all forms of the differential equation, like variable separable form, exact differential equation, linear differential equation, and homogeneous differential equation. And after that I have solved some problems based on the all four types of, or all four forms of differential equation. So in the next class I will discuss about the partial fraction, and after that high order differential equation, and how to compute the solution of high order differential equation. So take care of your health and happy learning.